To fix Zenless Zone Zero if it's not launching on your device, there are several common reasons to consider. Firstly, the system requirements may not have been met, as these are the necessary hardware and software resources needed to support the game. If your device's processor, RAM, or graphics card do not meet the minimum requirements, the game will not launch. The official Zenless Zone Zero website provides the minimum and recommended system requirements, which can be compared to your device's specifications to determine if an upgrade or adjustment to in-game settings is needed. Another possible reason is outdated graphics drivers, which can cause slow PC performance or prevent games from launching. Updating these drivers, available on the manufacturer's website, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, can resolve compatibility issues and improve game performance. Corrupted game files can also be the culprit, as they can become damaged during download, installation, or due to system issues, leading to launch failures or constant crashes. Fortunately, using the game launcher's features to verify the integrity of the game files can resolve this issue. This involves opening the launcher, navigating to the library, and selecting the option to verify game files, which will automatically download and replace any missing or damaged files if necessary. By addressing these potential causes, you should be able to fix Zenless Zone Zero and get it running on your device.